by looking at all the things that Medicines for Europe already realized in the past years. Very often it doesn't immediately come to your mind, but there were quite a few things that we were able to change by bringing forward topics. And I think one of the big examples there was our regulatory efficiency report, which was published in September 2015, where we put certain things forward which ended up also in the agendas of the regulators, and this was a starting point for having a real good dialogue with them on the regulatory efficiency. Especially with respect to telematics, there are so many tools and systems out there which have so far perhaps worked too much in silos, where there is now also clear that we need a very good telematics strategy, which will enable us now to start building for a good system in the future. I have the impression that generic industry does not yet fully understand how important this is, and I think our member companies should really invest in supporting the trade association in this area with people that have the right knowledge and the right competences to really enter the dialogue with the regulators there.
It's very important that the information is relevant to the patient and the prescriber, that we really answer the questions that the patient has. So it must be relevant and it must also be accessible. And I also think it's important that it is context-based, so that you get different information, whether you're the first-time user or if you're an experienced user. And I mean, a lady of 70 or a male does not need to know about pregnancy and breastfeeding and things like that.
I think we all have to look out of the box, and as we heard yesterday, we will have long-term projects on IT solutions and technical support. This is surely very important to facilitate the processing of all the applications and the procedures. And I think the most important thing is that all stakeholders have pragmatic approaches, look for new ideas, what can be facilitated. And there have been some examples also in the last year with the coordination group. We have fresh ideas to find new opportunities to facilitate and to make the processes more efficient.